Hello and welcome to Glitter Shine Nails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Well, it's been 7 months since I last did a stamping plate swatch review, and a while back I purchased a few Nicole Diary stamping plates. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Nicole Diary stamping plate L22, and I'll be sharing my swatches along with 2 manis for inspiration. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. For these swatches, as always, I'll be using my usual clear stamper along with my usual scraper, and I have 6 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be starting with a dark green coloured nail tip along with a medium mint green shimmer stamping polish. This is a fairly new stamping polish, so I'm still figuring out colour combos, but I'll remove any excess from this long line image and I'll place it in the centre of the nail tip. This colour combo reflects the stamping beautifully. You could also go with a much darker green as well. For the next swatch, I'll be using a burgundy coloured nail tip along with a rose gold stamping polish. This is my favourite rose gold stamping polish to use. It works over so many different dark coloured base colours. With this image, it didn't quite fit the nail tip completely. Also, with this image you could place it in a few different ways, like upside down, maybe even on the side. You could also go around the line of the image with some crystals, but it's a really nice swatch. For the next swatch, I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a bright blue stamping polish. So I thought I would say about the size tips that I use for these types of swatches I do in these videos. They are a size 3 full square nail tip. I do also use size 4s as well, so hopefully this will give you a good idea on how large or small the images are. This image you could also use as a reverse stamping image as well. It would look really pretty, but it's a really nice design. For the next swatch, I'll be using a shimmer nude coloured nail tip along with a metallic burgundy stamping polish. I've used this colour combo a few times in the past, and it's a combo that would work all year round. It is so pretty. It works well with pattern designs like this one, but also floral images as well. You could also switch out the burgundy and use a chocolate brown instead. I personally love designs like this one. For the next swatch, I'll be using a dark purple coloured nail tip along with a purple shimmer stamping polish. Now, I don't use this stamping polish very much at all, but really I should, because using this design along with a colour combo, it looks amazing. I would personally wear a whole mani just using this. I've said it before, but with colour combos, it's just playing around with the base colours and the stamping polishes. Some work, some don't. For the next swatch, I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a shimmer orange stamping polish. Now, a while back I did a review on this stamping polish, and all of the swatches I did were a big fail. And I said I wanted to try the orange stamping polish with a yellow colour base. I personally love how this looks. It would be amazing for spring and summer manis. It's not super bright either. You could also use it for autumn manis as well, but it's really pretty. And here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from the Nicole Diary stamping plate NDL22. Nicole Diary stamping plate NDL22 is pattern inspired, with 21 large stamping designs and 12 small stamping designs at the top of the plate. I really like the larger stamping plates from Nicole Diary. I have quite a collection of them and still a lot to get through as well, along with some other brands. But if you want a large stamping plate at really low prices, try the Nicole Diary brand. I get mine from the AliExpress store. I'm still awaiting the arrival of some more as well. Now, I know that I've been absent from my channel over the last few months. I've been dealing with the death of our 15-year-old dog. In recent weeks, however, we now have a new puppy who is almost 12 weeks old, so the Glittershine household is crazier than ever. And right now I'm trying to work out a schedule so that I can work on my channel with a crazy puppy dog. So just bear with me for a while. I have lots to come to my channel. I've missed creating my videos, so please just bear with me a little bit longer. I have a lot of stamping plates and some stamping polishes to bring to my channel. Now normally I don't create 2 manis for each plate, but because I have quite a few new gel polishes I want to create manis for, I thought it would be a good idea to do this with some of the stamping plate reviews. However, I do want to say that this probably will not stay as 2 manis per video. It all depends on how busy I am at the time. With L22, there was a couple of mani ideas I had and I really couldn't decide. I was really happy with how all of these swatches turned out, considering I've not really stamped like this for months. I honestly cannot believe it's been 7 months since I did a stamping plate review. This is definitely what I'm known for. I do have this video and 2 other Nicole Diary stamping plate reviews already ready for editing, so plenty more to come. I do think that L22 will work with some of the other larger stamping plates from Nicole Diary, like L08, L07, L16, L09, L17 and L18, just to name a few. I do have full reviews on all of them as well here on my channel, so there is plenty of mani possibilities from either just L22 or mixing it with other stamping plates. I like to do both when creating manis, and there is quite a few designs on L22 that will work together in a mani. I did use a variety of base colours from light to bright to dark just to mix the swatches up, and as I said earlier, this plate would work all year round. I've also tried to use some of the new stamping polishes I've recently shared here on my channel, and because of this there are quite a few patterns along with colour combos that I want to try in the future. Nicole Diary L22 is a really beautiful plate. So for the first mani I went with a dusky blue gel polish base colour, and I've stamped in a dark blue stamping polish. I felt that the thin line design went quite well together with the large image, and I like how they look together. I've also added some blue crystals to the thin line design just to add some bling to these nails, something a bit different, and I decided I wanted these nails to be matte because when I did the swatches of the base colour I adored the matte version, and as a full mani like this I really like how it's turned out. It would also work glossy as well. For the second mani I went with a dark green base colour, and I've used inspiration from the swatch of the stamping polish, which was a shimmery green gold colour. I love how the large image looks. With this stamping polish base colour and image I would wear a whole mani just like that. Now I wanted some glitter on these nails, and I thought I had a greeny gold glitter. Well, I could not find it anywhere, so I went with this glitter instead, and it sort of works. I didn't want to change what I had already planned for the mani. It's something different. Some will like it, some won't. 2 very different manis from Nicole Diary stamping plate L22. There is plenty more to be created from this amazing stamping plate. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Nicole Diary stamping plate L22. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.